Hello again, and thanks for pressing play. Well, last week I was speaking with an excited young couple about to buy a property, with some help from the bank, of course. I've also been working with an established business owner looking to divest of a property to pay down some debt and simplify their portfolio. So what do these two cases have in common? Well, quite simply, it's around the bank's security over the properties. So let's look at the first case. The young couple has been offered bank finance, and in fact they've been told that they can keep their cash deposit to use on things like property improvements. You see, the bank is prepared to take a security over the new property as well as their two existing properties, one of which is unencumbered. So going forward, these three properties will be inextricably linked. Now, does that really matter? After all, right now it gets the young couple into the new property and it allows them to keep some cash. Well, let's move on to the second case. And there's surprising similarities, but we're going to fast forward a decade or two. So we have an existing business owner that's looking to sell one of their properties that has a small debt, and she intends to use the net proceeds after paying down that debt for other things. However, once there was a contract on the property, the bank put a hold on it while they decided what needed to happen with the net proceeds. And in fact, their decision was that because that property was held as security over other loans and other properties, that the bank debt on those other properties had to be extinguished with the net proceeds of the sale. So in fact, the business owner was left without control over the net proceeds of the property sale. So I'm not saying that the banks are not acting in the client's best interests in either of these cases, or that they're not meeting the terms and conditions of the loan. I'm just saying that as property investors and business owners, we need to be acutely aware of the financial contracts and conditions that we have with the bank and when we're obtaining finance. It really would pay to get some independent advice so that you do understand exactly what you're agreeing to and what you're signing. And it also pays to maybe think ahead and think, would you like to sell any of your properties in the future independently of each other? The professional team at UHY Haynes Norton Gladstone is committed to helping you improve your financial position. If you need advice, please call us today on 4972 1300, and thanks again for pressing play.